Hey YouTube family, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to our daily hacking news series. You can hit the like button to give a shout out to our team. Now let's get right into the video. So first news is related to a good news which is for the Google Chrome users. So right now Google is testing a new quick intensive throttling feature that reduces CPU time by 10% and extending the battery life for laptop and mobile devices. So basically in Chrome 87, Google introduced a new feature called intrusive vacuum throttling that prevents JavaScript from waking up a tab more than once a minute after it has been suspended and hidden from view for more than 5 minutes. With this change, Google found that it reduces Chrome CPU uses by up to 5x and extended battery life up to 1.25 hours. So as per report by about Google Chromebooks, Google is now testing a new feature called Quick Intensive Test Throttling that reduces 5-minute grace period to 10 seconds and which is allowing far more suspend tabs to quickly reduce CPU utilization and extend battery life. So this is a good news for the people those who are complaining that Google Chrome is taking a lot of CPU. So I think this is good, and I am a Linux user, so sometime I use Chrome. So let's see if this is going to help me or not. Now next news is related to AstraLocker and Yashma ransomware. So a New Zealand-based cybersecurity firm Emisoft has released a free decryptor tool to help AstraLocker and Yashma ransomware victims recover their files without paying a ransom. The tool is available for download from Emisoft servers and is allows you to recover encrypted files using easy to follow instruction available in their users guide. If you want this software, then just let us know in the comment section. We'll send you the link and we'll send you the user guide as well, that how you can use. So Emisoft recently also warned that be sure to quarantine the malware from your system first, or it may repeatedly lock your system or encrypt file. So yeah, this is true. If someone get attacked by the ransomware, then they need to do this thing at first. And also by default this decryptor will pre-populate the location to decrypt with the currently connected drivers and network drivers, and additionally locations can be added using the add button in this specific tool. Now next news is related to Python package index. So the maintainer of the official third-party software repository for Python have begun imposing a new two-factor authentication condition for project demand critical. So Python package index said in a tweet last week that we have begun rolling out a two-factor authentication requirement. Soon maintainers of critical project must have 2FA enabled to publish, update and modify them. I think this is a good initiative from the specific team. And also they added in that tweet that any maintainers of a critical project, both maintainers and owner, are including in the two-factor authentication requirement. And additionally, the developers of critical project who have not previously turned on 2FA on Python package index, which is called Pypi. So the developers, those who are working on critical project who have not previously turned on 2FA on uh, Python package index, are being offered free hardware security keys from the Google open source security team. So they are going to just deliver the hardware security key to your doorstep. It may take some delivery charge, or might be it will be free. Now last news is related to HavanaCrypt ransomware. So a new ransomware family is being delivered as a bogus Google software update using Microsoft functionality as a part of its attack. So researchers with Trend Micro says that they uncovered the latest threat dubbed as HavanaCrypt, which is a ransomware package that presents itself as a Google software update, though it is a .NET compiled application. So several features make it difficult to detect, and the malware use of user and open source obfuscator in .NET that is designed to secure codes in a .NET assembly. So I might be spelling wrong. This is called Obfuscator, which is OBFUSCAR, which is an open source .NET that is designed to secure code in .NET assembly basically. So once this specific ransomware get executed, the ransomware hides its window by using the show window function in the system and giving its parameter of 0. So I think this is also going to be one of the most dangerous ransomware. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, comment down your feedback. You may subscribe because we are bringing hacking news on daily basis. So at last, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.